Iinguli sele zinganabuyo ngemva komtjhagalo abasebenzi besibhedlela iCharlotte Maxeke Academic. Lokhu kwenze bona iinguli eziningi zikhutshwe ngombana uyaraga umtjhagalo. Abasebenzi abangaphasi weyuniyoni i-NEHAWU sebangenela ngelesithathu batjhagala. Esinye isiguli bekufanele sihlinzwe edolweni. Sihlangana nabajikisweko esibhedlela ngonobangela ukuthi abodorhodere nabonesi abekho esibhedlela bayatjhagala.
We came early, but most of our staff is locked outside. There's a protest. Nurses can't come in. Doctors can't come in. Theater staff can't come in. So your surgeries will have to just be on hold. Then we're going to have to take you guys home.
Nakusenjalo i-NEHAWU yaziphika insolo ezinjalo igandelela ukuthi umtjhagalo wabo unokuthula. Iyuniyoni yabasebenzi ithi akekho namunye umuntu ovinjweko bona ngene namkhakhambe esibhedlela.
We have not blocked entrances to the hospitals. Members of NEHAWU joined by many other workers, because as we continue with the day, we are starting to see other union, even leaders of other union joining us now.
Ngakelinye ihlangothi abasebenzi bathi ipilo iyabiza nje, angeze bakhona ukuphila ngomrholi wabo omncane kangaka. Bathi urhulumende akezwe inlilo zabo abanikela abakufunako. Hlangana nenlilo zabo kubala ukukhutshulelwa umrholo nge-10%, imali ikhutshulwe nge-2,500 yamaranda, balila nangemali yesibonelelo sezindlu, uthuthukiswe nesibonelelo se-medical aid.
We want 10% because everything is too high, the cost of living is too high, and we have ama-bonds, abana bakena skolo, ama-skolo, ama-university, and then we can't afford by this 3%.
Basebenzi babetha phasi ngenyawo bathi angeze bawamukela amaphesenti angaphasi kweli-10 kahulumende. Bathi bazokutjhagala bekufike lapho inlilo zabo zizwakala khona.
Nakusenjalo ikhothe ephakemeko eBloemfontein iyalele amalunga atjhagalako we-NEHAWU ukuthi angakhe aliye namkha athusele laba abangakangeneli umtjhagalo kulesi sibhedlela ePilonomi. Kunabasebenzi abatlahe ukuthi bayatheliswa begodu bayabethwa nabasebenzako. Kanti godu kunabasebenzi abangekumbeni yemtjhini yokuphefumulisa inguli abaqindeliswe ukusebenza nabo. Kunenguli ezijike ezingakalitholi isizo. Umnyango wezempilo eFreystata ukhambe ukumangala ekhotho. Ikhotho yawunikela umlayo siqabo okhandela ukuthi kungaba nomuntu oqaba iyege esibhedlelesi.
There were sporadic reports about people being beaten up, and then we had to file a case against intimidation, because as much as there's a right of striking, there's a right of people also to life. There's also a right to people to work if they want to work.
Bachatshulule ngebheyili abasebenzi abathathu abangaphasi kwe-union i-NEHAWU abe babotshelwe ukuphehla induku emphakathini.